Okay, so in this video we'll be given a trig ratio. For example, here we have sine theta is 2/3, and from that we need to somehow work out what cos theta and tan theta are, and we need to work out the exact values, so we can't have any decimal answers for this. So there's going to be two main methods. You can either use a triangle in a cast diagram, or you can use identities in a cast diagram, and we'll be using the triangle method. So we'll begin first by doing a triangle and a cast diagram, and we'll first fill in this using this information over here. So we've got sine theta is 2/3. Now if we do SOHCAHTOA, we know that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and we can use that now to fill in this triangle. So the opposite will be 2 and the hypotenuse will be 3, and now we can use Pythagoras to work out the third side. So we have 3 squared minus 2 squared all rooted, that's 9 minus 4 all rooted, which is root 5. So we now know what the adjacent is, root 5. So that's a triangle done, and now we can do the cast diagram. We're told that the angle is between 90 and 180, so that's in this quadrant here. So in the cast diagram we have a 0, a 90, a 180 and a 270. So between 90 and 180 is the angle, so we put the line there. Okay, so now that we've got the triangle and cast diagram, we can now answer the question. So part A, we want cos theta. Now cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so we can get adjacent, which is root 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 3. So that's a triangle bit to get the number. Now we need the cast diagram to work out whether it's a plus or minus. Now cos is only positive in the fourth quadrant, it's negative in this quadrant, so it's going to be negative. So in this cast diagram, the A means that all the trig ratios are positive over here between 0 and 90. Here only sine is positive, and only tan is positive here, and only cos is positive here. And part B, tan theta. So tan is opposite over adjacent, so opposite is 2 and adjacent is root 5, and in this quadrant only sine is positive, so the tan will be negative. So the answer is minus 2 over root 5, and you have an option if you want, you can rationalize it. I'll rationalize it. That becomes minus 2 root 5 over 5, though that's optional depending on what the question says.